Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the essentials: Visual Studio with NET desktop support and a WPF project using a modern NET runtime. Once created, add 3 folders: models, view models, views, and scaffold a simple model class. Now implement a base view model with iNotify property changed so property updates flow to the UI. You should also add a relay command or delegate command class for actions. These first steps set structure and data flow. Start wiring properties and commands immediately so the rest connects cleanly. Now build the middle. Populate your main view model with properties, an observable collection for lists, and commands for user actions. Once done, assign the view model to the view's data context, either in the window constructor or via a lightweight view model locator and dependency injection for testability. In XAML, bind controls to properties and commands using binding. Make sure to use data templates for item visuals and set update source trigger where needed. These steps connect UI elements to logic and allow clean separation for test. Finish by handling validation, implementing async commands with task and async/await, and refining your UI styles and data templates. You should run the app and exercise every command, then write unit tests for view model logic rather than UI. Once done, optimize performance and remove code behind beyond data context setup. If things go wrong, first check the output window for binding errors. Make sure data context is assigned, property names match bindings, and property changed is raised. That single check resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.